Okay. So the question was, how is Luke feeling now, and like, what is he gonna do? Because it said, what are you talking? It said, um, Jen greeted him, and then you can get the advanced battle plan. I was afraid we were just gonna have to pick you up Thursday night and fill you in then, because it's April now, and that's when Jen said the rally was, and they haven't met for a while since Luke's family has been home early and stuff, and it's been raining,
Yeah.
and now he doesn't. He has time. Has had a ton of time to reflect on this, think about if he's gonna go yet. But I think he is because of peer pressure.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's like, you're going, right? Right, Luke? You
Yeah.
can't, like,
And then Luke
you
said,
better be going.
yeah. And then says, what are you talking about? He asked, but he knew. His heart began to thump harder than it had in his rush back through the work. And we already know that's the rally.
Yeah.
Because then the next paragraph that we haven't got to yet, it says, the rally, of course.
I think he's nervous about the rally because it's in April and that's the planning season. And his brothers and his dad, most of his family is going to be out in the farm where
And that's
they're
along the
getting
road.
where they're planting their crops, and that's along the road. So
Where
it's
they'll be going.
likely that he's going to be seen going to Jen's
Yeah,
house.
he's just gonna like probably crawl out or sneak out. Like, it's gonna be because there's all this corn and like wheat and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so then, yeah, so the question was, how is Luke feeling? He's probably feeling really nervous, and yeah, so he hasn't had time to think about his feelings. And Addie, is there anything you wanted to say about it?
No. Well, yes, sort of. He must be really worried because he knows Matthew and Mark were be like, what the heck are you doing out here? Dad's gonna kill you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so he's kind of, yeah. Yeah, so he just said that he strayed across the blind so he couldn't see it, and then he turned to face her. What are you talking about? But he already knew.
Yeah.
So it's kind of one of those situations where you're just asking all these questions even though you already know all the answers. What are you talking about? When's the rally? Oh, I don't know. I think I have to ask my mom. If you ask your mom, she'll say no. Oh, that's sad. Then I guess I can't go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is that it?
Yeah, I think so. Because that was, we kind of answered the question.
Yeah, the question
Yeah.
wasn't that bad. So